In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the item type in Wrike. Let's start by visiting the Wrike website. Head over to Wrike.com and locate the login button. You'll find this in the upper right corner. Click on it and log in using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. The next thing we need to do is navigate to the specific location where your task or project is situated. This could be a department folder, a client's workspace, or any other project space that you're working in. It's important to pinpoint the exact area because that's where you'll find the item you want to modify. Once you've found the right location, we'll open it in table view. You can do this by looking for the option to change views, usually found at the top of the project or task space. Now that we're in table view, our next step is to interact with the project or task that needs its item type changed. You'll either right click directly on the project name, or if you're more comfortable using menus, you can click on the three-dot button located in the projects or folders title bar. This will open up a list of additional options for you to choose from. Look down the list for an option called View Details and select it. This action will open the item view, providing you with a detailed look at the task or project. In the upper right corner of the item view, there is another three-dot menu button. Click on this to access another drop-down menu. Here you want to hover over the option that says Change Item Type. This menu should expand, revealing different item types that you can select from. Now it's time to choose the new item type that fits your needs. When selecting the relevant item type from the list, take a moment to ensure it's the correct one, as this will affect how the item is handled within the project workflow. Once you've identified the type you need, click on it. After making your selection, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to confirm the change. There will be a button at the bottom of the pop-up that says Change Type. Click on this to finalize your decision, and that's it. You've successfully changed the item type within Wrike. This straightforward process allows you to tailor your workspace to better fit your current project needs, ensuring that your tasks and projects are organized the way you need them to be. Remember, if you ever need to change an item type again, just follow these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your workflow in Wrike.